Now see, this is the question from February 2022. In this they said a three-phase 400 volt 50 hertz AC supply with a sequence of ABC. ABC we can consider as RYB, but they have given in terms of ABC, so we'll write down ABC. Okay. As they said, unbalanced delta connected load. Unbalanced means all the impedances are un. Okay. So let's draw the diagram. Don't do it without drawing the diagram. Clear? So it's a delta connection. Delta connection is like this. Instead of giving RYB sequence, they give it like A, they give it like B, and they give it like C. Right? So A is this one, C one. ZAB is ZAB is 6 plus J10, ZB is 7 minus J12, and ZCA is 50 ohm, right? So in this case, what we'll do, 50 ohm is the resistance, draw the resistance only, okay? And this one is 6 plus J10 means it is the combination of R and L. This is minus, so it is the combination of R and C, correct? So draw the diagram like this. Understood? Okay. Now they are asked you, they didn't give you the voltage which they have mentioned, but as I told you, whenever they don't mention any voltage, that means they have given the line voltage, right? Line voltage is how much? 400 volt. And as you know, in the case of delta connection, whether it's a line voltage or the phase voltage, voltage is always same and current is always different, correct? So can we conclude that VPH is equal to 400 volt only? Hmm? But they are asking the line current. As we know, the formula VPH is equal to IPH multiplied by ZPH. Correct? So for VPH, that is 500. IPH is, we can say, if we are taking ZPH as ZAB, then current would also be IAB. Yes or no? Hmm? So VPH is every case in same. Then in that case, 400 is equal to IAB, we don't know. ZAB is already given 6 plus J10, correct? So from here, can we get the value of IAB? That is 400 angle 0 because they didn't mention any angle. Divided by 6 plus J10. Now you know now how to convert it. Like this is in the rectangular form and we need to convert it into the polar form for further solving, right? So after solving, you will get some value for IAB, correct? Similarly, you will get some value for IBC that I'm directly write down, that is 400 divided by ZBC, and ZBC is how much? 7 minus J12, correct? Similarly, we can get the value for ICA. ICA is 400. We divided by ZCA. ZCA is 50. So ICA we can directly get it as 5 8 ja 40. So ICA is 8 ampere. Okay, understood? Now we are getting IAB, we got IBC, and we got ICA, right? A, B, C sequence. A to B, B to C, C to A, correct? So it's an A, B, C sequence. But what they want, these are the phase current. These are the phase current. Now what they want us to calculate the line current, right? Line current is IA, IB, IC. Now back to the formulas which they have given. IR, IY, IB is the line current. Similarly, IA, IB, IC is the line current, right? So they gave it in terms of RYB. So IRY, RYB. So it would be how much? IAB minus what? IBC. Correct? R to Y, then B to R. Similarly, in this case also it will start from R, Y, B, Y to B, then R, Y. So we have to compare it, then we'll get the answer. Okay. So in this case, IB would be how much? I B C minus I A B, right? IC would be how much? I C A minus I B C, correct? C R R R Y Y Y B B B. See the pattern. A A B R Y, then it would be B B and C C, not B C A B to B, then C to A. Okay, so you can note it down in terms of ABC also. So this is the sequence. Understood? So now you are having the value of IAB, you are having the value of IBC, and you have having the value of ICA. You just need to substitute in this formula, then you will get the value for IA, IB, and IC. Correct? Now in the next case, what was the, yeah. So in this case, in the B part, they ask you to calculate total active power consumed by the load. And as you know, what is the formula for the active power? P is equal to root 3 VLIL cos phi. Cos phi is how much? That is the angle between voltage and current. P is as it is. VL is how much? 400. IL you will get it after solving, right? For different case, for different power we have generated, right? Like for this AB case, the power is different. For this case, power is different. For this case, power is different. And as you know, the formula for cos phi is equal to R by Z. So cos phi is equal to R by Z. R is 6, Z is 6 ka square plus 10 ka square. Ka square plus 10 ka square. In this case, cos phi is how much? R by Z. R is 7 and Z is how much? 7 ka square plus 12 ka square. In this case, there it is only resistive load. So cos phi is equal to 1. Okay, now you just need to substitute the value and then you will get the final answer.